How can we create videos in highest quality on our iPhone camera, and how can you use your iPhone camera to 100% of its efficiency? So this is very simple and very useful for you guys. Just watch this video till the end. If you're a new user to iPhone, if you have purchased a new iPhone, so you just have to know a lot of things about iPhone and iPhone camera. This is really a treasure of hunt, guys. Firstly, what we have to do, click on the camera option on the right bottom of your screen like this, and this is in photo mode currently. I will switch on the video mode, clicking on the left of screen here, and you can see on the right top of screen that is the quality is HD in 30 fps. So 30 fps is average type of frame or your screen video recording that stabilize your video. So that is an average type of video stabilization. If you want it advanced or a good quality video stabilization, so click on this 30 here and it will be converted into 60. That is the most best type of resolution of video. You can also click on the HD here to switch to 4K video creation on your iPhone here. So guys, this is all about how can you switch to the camera highest quality on your iPhone and create more amazing and exciting videos from your mobile phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any type of question, query or confusion regarding any topic, so just tell me about that topic into the comment section. We will make a separate video on that soon. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep loving.